Hi, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you how to make an easy burlap wreath. All you need is one 18-inch wire wreath frame, and 4 rolls of burlap, and pipe cleaners and scissors. So here I'm starting by removing the burlap ribbon. Paper, I got this from Hobby Lobby and it was 50% off. So regular price is, let me see, I believe it says $6.99, and so I got it for 50% off. I used a total of 4. I got a little bit of leftover ribbon, not much. So if you use an 18-inch wire frame, you will need 4 rolls, and if you use a 14-inch, you probably need around 2 to 2.5, 3 rows. Okay, so I start by tying the burlap wreath onto the back side of the frame, just like so, and then on each row I will be pulling through the burlap. So it's about 2 inches long. Okay, as you can see. So just twist a little bit on the back and then continue. It's a very repetitive process, so you will need to repeat this process all around, just the same thing over and over. So for each section, you do about 5 or 6, 5 to 6, however you prefer the twist. So this method is called a pull-through method. There's different methods for burlap wreath. I can make another video in the future of a different method that I've used. I've also done the ruffle method wreath. Looks really nice. You can also check out my Instagram page to see all my different types of wreaths. I will link it in the description. Alright, so here I'm doing another, and then repeat this process. So for about 2 sections, you need 1 row for 2 sections of this frame. And make sure when you're working on it to not show the wire in between. So you want to be able to cover all the wire with the wreath, with the burlap. So I use the pipe cleaners to tie the burlap together, like so. You can also use glue, your hot glue, but I just like to use the pipe cleaners. It's really sturdy, it won't move. Okay, so just continue. So with this wreath, I'm actually going to make a patriotic wreath. I have an order to make a burlap patriotic wreath. I will make another video to show a second part on how I arrange all the ribbons that I will be using for this wreath. I'll be adding bows and different ribbons. It should look pretty nice. Or you can just use a simple brown burlap wreath on your door. It also looks nice if you like the farm style look for your home. Also, if you have any suggestions when you're crafting or doing whatever you do you watch any Netflix or YouTube? Do you have any show recommendations? Just let me know in the comments down below. I like to watch shows when I'm working on my wreath. So here I just got the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see better when I'm working on the wreath. So normally when I'm crafting for all these videos, I make them very late at night when all my kids are sleeping. Well, I only have 2 kids. When they go to sleep, that's when I do my crafting. Here's the remainder of the burlap. So here you just tie it to the back of the wreath. It's gonna be tied to the wire frame, like so. And just hide it in between the burlap ribbon. You can also add some glue when you're done, just to make sure it's extra secure. I might do that after I post this video, or when I'm done working with the wreath. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to give a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.